today we're going to unbox it again for the second time, and I'm going to be telling you why you should get the headphones again in 2025. Let's get into it. This might actually be one of the weirdest unboxings I've ever done. That's because I've actually owned a pair of these headphones before, which is this one. I actually owned them. I had them back in 2023 until I did something very stupid. So I was playing basketball at the park, and you know those blue rails around that surrounds the park, right? So I hung them there and I literally forgot about them. Yeah, we all make mistakes, right? So I've used those headphones for literally everything. So I used it for late night coding sessions, I used it for commuting, I used them for even going to the gym as well. I use them for those were my daily drivers in terms of headset. Prior to losing that, I started to use the Soundcore Liberty 4NC, so which is this. Now for the main event, Q30s headphones. And in this part of the video, I'm going to tell you 3 features, or even more, why I came back to the Q30s in 2025 and why you should as well. Let's get into it. So first off is comfort. I don't know if you guys have actually seen how comfortable these headphones are. Props have these soft protein leather and they're super lightweight and deep as well. I can actually see myself wearing these for 4 to 5 hour coding classes or sessions and completely forgetting they're on my head. Secondly, the noise cancellation. The ANC on these is fantastic for the price. It's not going to completely silence the world like a pair of, let's say, £500 headphones, but it absolutely crushes low frequency sounds like a fan, the hum of a train or bus, or even a coffee shop. They have multi-point connection, so I can be connected to my Mac and my phone at the same time. The app gives you a ton of EQ customization. Now, a couple of things I do need to mention about these headphones is it comes with high-res sound, air-enhanced mics for calls. Like I said before, you get 50 hours ANC on and 80 hours of battery life with ANC off. 10-minute charge gives you 10 hours of playtime, which is more than enough to do a lot of work or to even commute. It comes with Google Fast Pair, and you do get to touch the headphones with 3 fingers for transparency mode. How cool is that? And then throughout the box we have some other compartments as well. So okay, cool. So right here we have the travel pouch. So in the previous Q30, the Q30 Life, actually you get a hard shell, but in this one you kind of get a nice leathery, you can see the nice leathery travel pouch with the same colorway you get with the headset, which is quite nice. Feels premium. It's nice to have, especially if you're someone that likes to travel or have long commutes and you want a specific bag to put your headphones in, especially the Q30s. This pairs really well with it, and it comes in the same matching color. You get your normal manual, which is this. So in this other compartment we have the Type-C charger right here. Of aux cable, 3.5mm aux cable, as you can see. This is really helpful in times where your headset does die on you or you're just trying to save battery. This comes in clutch. But one thing you should know is you do not get ANC, which is your active noise cancellation, whilst this is plugged in. But honestly, if you're in a remote area and your headset does die on you and you want to listen to music, this will come in clutch. But yeah, we've come to the end of the video, and these are some of the reasons that I feel the Q30s are still great. The Soundcore Q30s are still great as a budget option for over-the-ear headphones in 2025. If you're a student, a developer, one that just wants to listen to good music but you're on a budget and you still want the best out of your money, you can't go wrong with the Soundcore Q30s in my opinion. These are a game changer. They have hybrid ANC, they have touch to switch between modes, so from transparency to ANC. They also have, in case you guys don't know, fast charging, so you can charge for 5 minutes and get up to like 10 hours of battery life. Just keep in mind that with ANC on, so using active noise cancellation on, you get 50 hours of battery life. And with ANC off, you do get 80 hours of battery life, which is more than enough to last you throughout any long time or late, hours of coding or commuting or just play music in the coffee shop as well. So it's a really good game changer. You do get a lot for value. You get a travel pouch, you get your aux cable, your 3.5mm aux cable, you do get a USB to Type-C cord as well for fast charging, and then you get the Q30s themselves. So I don't know what else to say that can convince you to get these headphones in 2025. You can get them now, and I think they're going for a reasonable price. I'll leave that over here. So this is what they're currently going for. You could probably see a discount as well. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. I'll leave a description to where you can buy these off down in the description below as well. But thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech reviews like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright.